In this video, we're going to be learning about a pictograph. A pictograph is a great way of showing the frequency of different categories. The most important thing about a pictograph is the key. Understanding that one smiley face represents 8 people will help us to understand how many are within a particular category. With this question in particular, I've also got half a happy face. So half a happy face would represent half the same number of people that a full face would represent. In this case, a half a face would represent 4 people. The question asked me to find how many people answered excited. I have 2 full faces, so 2 times by 8, and then 1 half face, so add on 4. 2 times 8 is 16, add on 4 is 20. 20 people answered excited. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With this question, a happy face represents 4 people. So with happy, I have 2.5 faces. Knowing that 1 face represents 4, 2 faces would represent 2 times 4. I've also got half a face, which would be half of 4, so 2. This means 2 times 4 is 8, add on the 2 is 10. 10 people answered happy. With sad, I have 4 times 4, which is 16. And with excited, I have 4 plus 2, because it's half a face, which will then give me 6. The question asked how many people took part in the survey, so the answer will be all the categories added together. So the number of people that answered happy, the number of people that answered sad, and the number of people that answered excited. 10 add 16 is 26, add on 6 is 32. 32 people took part in this survey.